हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप? उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग बिल्कुल स्वस्थ होंगे, फिट होंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू नो दैट दिस इज योर कंप्यूटर साइंस टीचर Gain and I am here for a very important session for Microsoft Excel. Before starting this session, I just want to give you a warm welcome on my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon also, because if you press the bell icon you will definitely receive the notifications of my latest videos. So students, without wasting to any of the time, let's start. आज के हम इस वीडियो में एक नई चीज सीखेंगे, नई चीज जानेंगे, और वो नई चीज है, आज हम बात करेंगे ऑनलाइन क्विज, और उसी का मैं आज एक सेशन लूंगा। मैं आज के जो सेशन होगा, जो ऑनलाइन क्विज होगा, वो क्विज आपका माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल इसके ऊपर बेस्ड होगा। आपसे मैं डायरेक्टली कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा और उसके जो आंसर हैं आप उसी समय ऑनलाइन होकर आप YouTube कमेंट के जरिए या WhatsApp के जरिए इमीडिएटली भेजेंगे। आप जब कभी भी आपको नोटिफिकेशन रिसीव होगा कि मैंने आपके लिए एक वीडियो अपलोड किया है, आप उसी समय ऑनलाइन होकर के आप जो भी क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जाएगा आप उसके आंसर अपने WhatsApp से या अपने YouTube कमेंट के जरिए देने का प्रयास करेंगे। और उम्मीद करता हूं मैं कि आप सभी लोग इस वीडियो को जरूर लाइक करेंगे और अपना वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक जरूर देंगे। ओके, सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स टाइम टू स्टार्ट दिस ऑनलाइन क्विज सेशन। ओके, राइट नाउ these are the topics which we are already covered. On the right hand side of the whiteboard you are able to see the content that what topic we have already finished. First, basics of Microsoft Excel, interface of Microsoft Excel, workbook and worksheet, entering data in a worksheet, using autofill feature, performing calculations, auto sum, adding and removing the worksheet, saving a workbook. These are the topics which are already covered in the previous videos. One more thing, I just want to give you a request. The request is please watch my previous videos, because in the previous videos you are able to have the practical demonstration about each and everything, right? So right now your revision session is over, the original class is already over for this chapter. Right now it's time for online quiz session. So students, what are you waiting for? Here the question number 1. Question number 1. First question. What is the shortcut key for opening a new Microsoft Excel worksheet? Yes, question is what is the shortcut key for opening a new worksheet? Let me read the question one more time. Question is, what is the shortcut key for opening a new worksheet? Okay, be fast while giving your answers by using your YouTube comment or WhatsApp. Okay, so I hope you are able to give the answer. Yes, because each and everything is already covered and you are damn sure. So without any of the cheating, any of the thing using anything, just be honest while giving the answer. Okay, so right now this is the question number 1. Let's come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, what are the steps for saving a workbook? Question is, what are the steps for saving a workbook? Okay. Now, question number 3. Question number 3. Next question is, what are the differences between workbook and worksheet? Right? What are the differences between workbook and worksheet? Right? Come to the next question. Next question is, when you are observing your Excel interface, okay, when you are observing the Excel interface, where the quick access toolbar is located? Question is, on the Excel interface, where the quick access toolbar is located? Okay, on the Excel interface, where the quick access toolbar is located. Right? Toolbar is located. Question number 5. Let me repeat the question code one more time. On the Excel interface, where the quick access toolbar is located. Right? Come to the next question. What are the difference between undo and redo? Your question is, what are the differences between undo and redo? Okay, students, right now I am receiving many of the answers. Okay, students are trying to give the answer, but right now I am expecting that most of the students are trying to give the answer. Okay, I am here to make the correction. Okay, after the session will end, we'll have an important session to discuss all the answers. Okay, so don't worry about that. With this, now I am going to revise the questions one more time, so that the student who is still not able to give the answer, trying to give the answer. Right? So question 1, what is the shortcut key for opening new worksheet? Question 2, what are the steps for saving our workbook? Next question, what are the difference between workbook and worksheet? Question 4, on the Excel interface, where the quick access toolbar is located. Now, question number 5. What are the difference between undo and redo? This is the questions which are from Excel. Now, let's move to the few more questions so that you can just explore your knowledge. Okay, right now this is also a one kind of way to explore your knowledge, which can give you a lot of knowledge. right? Now students, it's time to give the answer of these questions, right? First, I am trying to give the answer of question number 1. Question is, what is the shortcut key for opening a new worksheet? Okay, the answer is Control plus N. The answer is Control plus N. N for New Zealand. Question number 2. What are the steps for saving a workbook? Step number 1. Open your Excel workbook and whatever the work you want to do, please do it. Once the work is completed, then come to the step number 2. Click on File tab. Then go to the Save option. Now, step number 3. Once you are going to click on Save option, you will have Save as dialog box. In that dialog box, you need to perform 2 things. Number 1, browse the location to save your file, and next thing, type the name of your file by which the name will be appeared, right? And the final step and the last step, click on Save button, right? Question number 3. What are the difference between workbook and worksheet? So the answer is, the workbook is the collection of worksheet, and the worksheet is the collection of rows and columns, right? Clear? Now, question number 4. On the Excel interface, where the quick access toolbar is located. The quick access toolbar is located on the title bar left hand side, right? On the title bar left hand side. Next question, what is the difference between undo and redo? Undo means if you want to cancel the last action performed, then we are going to use the undo. Redo means reverse of undo. Whatever the last action you have performed, okay, means you have cancelled the last action, just you want to repeat that option. Okay, that's why this redo command is also known as repeat command. Right? Now, one more difference. For undo, there is shortcut key Control plus Z, and for redo, Control plus Y. So students, I hope you all are satisfied with these answers. Now it's time to have few more questions. Okay, right? So now I am going to erase the board and then we'll proceed further. So try to have some patience and then we'll start. So students, I hope you are enjoying this session and you are entertaining. But students, whatever the doubts you have, try to ask me. Whatever doubts you have, try to ask me, and then try to perform your action. Okay? So students, while erasing the board, try to give your answers. If you are still not able to give the answer, just think about it. Okay? And after thinking, explore your knowledge and give the answer on the YouTube comment as well as your WhatsApp. Okay? And through WhatsApp, only on my personal WhatsApp number, you have to share your answer. Right? So I'm waiting for your question, your answers. So students, now your board is erased now. Let's come to the few more questions. Now coming to the question number 6. Question number 6. Identify what is the name of this sign. Yes. What is the name of this sign? Where on the Excel interface. On the Excel interface. Just you have to identify this symbol. Okay. Now question number 7. Be fast, be fast. I'm waiting for your answers. Right? I'm waiting for your answers. Okay? So right now, do one thing. Whatever the questions you have, yeah, or I'm just trying to say, whatever the things I'm giving, okay? Don't be bothered about that. Okay? So right now, just do one thing. Try to give the answers what I'm giving. Okay? Now, after this, how many, how many, how many sheets, how many sheets are, how many sheets are available? Yes, students, please focus on this. I am just saying here, please focus on this. How many sheets are available? How many sheets are available in a workbook? In a workbook. Okay. Let me repeat the questions. Students, please concentrate on these questions. I am repeating one more time. Please concentrate on these questions. Okay. Question is, how many sheets are available in a workbook? Okay. Now, question number 8. Question number 8. What is the by default name of the workbook? What is the by default name of workbook? Let me write the question here. What is the by default, what is the by default name of workbook? Okay, what is the by default name of workbook? Come to the question number 9. Next question is, what is the by default file extension, by default file extension for MS Excel file, MS Excel file? Okay, in this question just you have to confirm what is the file extension of Microsoft Excel file, right? Come to the question number 10. Come to the question number 10. Now, what is the name of operator which is used for writing the formula? Yes, what is the name of operator which is used for writing the formula? What is the name of operator which is used for writing the formula, right? So these are the questions. Okay, let's read out one more time. Okay, so that you can have better skills about your listening. Okay, and then try to give the answer of these questions. Okay, many of the students have give the answer, but right now you have to just read out the questions carefully and then try to give the answer. Okay, so students, right now question number 6. You have to identify this symbol. What is the name of this symbol? Question number 7. How many sheets are available in a workbook? Question number 8. What is the by default name of workbook? Question number 9. What is the by default file extension of Microsoft Excel file? Question number 10. What is the name of operator which is used for writing the formula? Okay, so right now many of the students have given the answer, but I'm expecting more and more. Okay, now students, it's time to have the answers of these questions. Question number 6. This is called one kind of Greek letter. The name of the Greek letter is summation. Okay, but right now in MS Excel you have to give the answer as auto sum. This is called auto sum. Question number 7. How many sheets are available in a workbook? How many sheets are available in a workbook? Question number 8. What is the by default name of workbook? What is the by default name of workbook? Question number 9. Okay. So right now, before proceeding to question number 9, come to the question number answer of this question. The answer is 3 worksheets. In a workbook, there are only 3 worksheets by default. Question 8. By default name of workbook, book 1. Book 1 dot xlsx. Okay, let me repeat. Book 1 dot xlsx. Question number 9. By default file extension dot xlsx. Okay, let me repeat. Dot xlsx. Last question. What is the name of operator which is used for writing the formula? Answer is equal to sign. Answer is equal to sign. Now, with this, let's take some more questions. Okay. So now, students, please have some questions. Let me erase the board and then we'll proceed further. So, meanwhile, you are just trying to give the answer. Okay, students, one more thing I just want to tell you here, that whatever the doubts you have, please try to ask me and don't hesitate. Okay, I am here to give you all kind of support to you. Okay, but meanwhile, if you have any doubt, just consult your subject teacher. Right? This is the one kind of computer class. So in this computer class, just try to ask your questions. Okay. So students, right now it's time to have the end of this session. Okay, we'll meet in next video to take some more questions. Right? So students, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep encouraging me, keep giving you valuable feedbacks, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.